Alrighty, let's start grouting, shall we? I like using my grout gloves here. Usually I use these 7mm gloves most of the time, and these work fine, but these do tear. These are thicker, heavy duty, made for, you know, grouting things as such. So got my grout mixed up. Today we're using Bostik Vivid. And the color, I'm not exactly sure. I have to look at it, but it's a lighter color. Got it all mixed up. Heard about this grout and their products, don't have to let them sleep, so it has been sitting for a few minutes though, so I'm going to give it a quick mix before I do go. Make sure it's all blended together nicely. Again, it's not soup. It's a little bit on the loose side, so a little bit more working time. We just spread it. Okay, so that is 2 washes on here. I'll let this dry, give it a final wash with the microfiber, make sure we're haze free as absolutely possible. And then I'll put the outlets all back together. By that point, we'll be dry enough to do the silicone on the base and potentially where it meets the cabin. So there we go. So she wrote everything is grouted, siliconed in, good to go. If you see different shearing and grout, that's just from getting wet from the silicone there. That'll dry up nice around here, over here, and